Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. Okay, so now that you've been warned, we're going to open the next item from our Notions box. So this is pretty in purple, and it has a clue on it that says looking sharp. And I don't know about you, but there's a lot of sharp things in and around quilting. There's a lot of ways in which we can definitely cut and stab and poke ourselves. And so this could literally be any number of things associated with quilting. I actually feel like maybe we should have a safety warning whenever we quilt, because there's so many ways for us to really hurt ourselves. In the Kid Open test, it feels pretty rigid with a little bit of flexibility, a little bit of sound, but nothing that I would say would tell me what's inside of it. So as we open it up, what we are going to find is a fantastic small batch hand-turned needle case. So this is made by a company called, I forget, it's SC Handworks. I always want to add more letters to it. But this is a company that takes wood and turns it into high-quality craft supplies. And so this little guy right here opens up, turns, and you can actually put needles in it to take with you on the go. And close it and away you go. I know for me, I am a big fan of keeping my needles in kind of this case because I think if I don't, they're going to end up on my feet. However, this is a fantastic way to take needles if you're on the go. If you're like taking a hand project and you don't want to necessarily clip it in the corner of your project, you can put your needles in here. So this is approximately the size of a lipstick tube. And so I feel like it's a good size to take with you on the go. As I showed you, it comes with a set of bowhin needles. So bowhin is a high quality manufacturer of sharp needles. This is a variety pack. And so when we were thinking about needles, we wanted to make sure that it would be something that would be useful for however you use your needles. And so you can put the two together. And I think if you were to pull this out and at a retreat and start using your needles inside of it, you would definitely be looking sharp. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our Puzzle Mystery Quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.